Module 3.1, Properties of Waves. Let's review the description of a wave. A wave is a change in a medium that travels through a medium, but does not cause the medium itself to move. Once the wave has passed through the medium itself remains in its original state. Now it turns out that waves have four properties that describe their behavior. 1. Reflection. That means that waves can bounce off boundaries. Here are two examples: a string reflecting off of a hard boundary, and ripples in a tank reflecting off a wall. Sound waves tend to reflect off of hard surfaces and are absorbed by soft or porous surfaces. So reflection is why sound is louder in an enclosed space than outdoors, and why churches and tiled bathrooms are more reverberant than your carpeted living room. Waves reflect off surfaces at the same angle that they hit the surface. This can cause problems if rooms are constructed with certain geometric shapes. 2. Diffraction. That means that waves can bend around obstacles. Here's an example of waves bending around a boundary in a ripple tank. A very important thing to know about diffraction is that low frequencies diffract better than high frequencies. First, here's a visual example. On the left, you see the low frequencies bend around the wall fairly well, whereas on the right, the high frequencies beam through the opening and are mostly line of sight with the source. Here's an example using acoustics. Right now, I am talking directly into a microphone. I am now putting a piece of cardboard in front of the mic. You can still hear me, but the sound is more muffled. That's because the low frequency sound waves are bending around the cardboard, but the high frequencies are not. 3. Refraction. That means waves will change their direction of travel and speed as they pass through the boundaries of different mediums. If you've seen white light split as it passes through a prism, or a straw bent in a glass of water, that's an example of refraction. 4. Energy transport. That means that as waves travel, they take energy with them. And with that energy can come information and communication. In this course, we will come back and talk about reflection and diffraction, but not really anything about refraction or energy transport. But if you're going to delve more deeply into acoustics, they are properties that affect many things. To review, there are four main properties of wave behavior. 1. Reflection, bouncing off boundaries. 2. Diffraction, bending around obstacles. Low frequencies diffract better than high frequencies. 3. Refraction, changing direction and speed as they travel through different mediums. 4. Energy transport.